Eager to start your SMS marketing today? Well, this is the video for you. I will help you get started with your new ShortySMS account. Before we proceed, let me explain a few things about ShortySMS. ShortySMS is an SMS marketing tool that allows you to send SMS campaigns and automated SMS to your contacts. To accomplish this, you will need to have a Twilio account. Twilio is our SMS messaging service provider. You will need to sign up for an account on Twilio.com, subscribe to a subscription plan, and purchase a phone number for your SMS marketing. You can find the link to Twilio's messaging plans in the description box below. Once you are done setting up a Twilio account, you can now get started with ShortySMS. Your main dashboard will help you set up your account easily. Inside your ShortySMS account, click on Start Here. There are 5 steps on this page. Upgrade your account. This means you will need to purchase a lifetime license for ShortySMS at APPSUMO.com. You can find the link to the marketplace in the description box below. Once you have purchased it, you will need to redeem it at the email address that is associated with your ShortySMS account. Upload your contacts into your ShortySMS account. You will need a CSV file to accomplish this. Click on the third step, Send or schedule your first campaign. In this step, you will be asked to connect your Twilio to your ShortySMS by entering your SID and auth token from Twilio. Once done, the phone number you purchased from Twilio will appear on this page. Enable it to signify that this is the number you wish to send campaigns from. Click on Campaigns. Then, click on Create New Campaign. Fill out the necessary fields. Schedule the SMS campaign and send it. To run an automated sequence, you will need to first set up your triggers. That's step number 4. Add your trigger title, add your trigger text, enter the list you wish to add your contacts to when they send you the trigger text. Set the trigger to active and click Create. You are now ready to create your automation sequence. Enter your sequence title. Select the list that will trigger the automation and click on Add New Message to the sequence. Set the delay period. Add your message and select the number that it will be sent from. Repeat to add more messages and enable the automation when ready. And that's it. You have just set up your ShortySMS account. Need more help? Hit the chat icon on the lower right of your screen to visit our FAQ page or send us a message. You may also email us directly at originals@appsumo.com. Stay tuned for more videos on this channel. Hit the like button and subscribe for more updates. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.